over there, homie.
Listen, every time I try to tell them how to do it's like a movie, try to get into it, you might lose it, probably go insane, cause it ain't how we make it look instead of damn game. Do you get what I'm trying to say? They be in my business every day, every second, every time, but I wait, trying to see if I break, but I show up in the cape, like bam in your face, you thought it's okay, like I said, I can't break. How you gon' hate on somebody hard work, how you gon' pray on somebody downfall, how you look at yourself in the morning, better work, to nobody give a damn what you like, and you don't, little nigga. They don't understand how we stand, understand how we live, what we do, how we get what we get, they don't really gotta get, that's the point, take a guess, don't mind the business, so that gotta pick a side.
Take you on a cruise if you're down. I might put her ass on snooze if you're down. Maybe we could break the rules if you're down. Just let me know, yeah, if you're down. Love you cause I'm showing up with you. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here, that's what I want.
Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. So leo Laviniear and Ella narudi. So nimekuwa nikifanya some cleaning na updates. Sasa nataka kufanyia house tour, mini house tour. Nili add this here, kulikuwa na some pictures over here. Ni kazi ziko behind hapo nyumba though. So this is and they already painted that thing. Sijamaliza though. Empty. It's empty. Nangoja shopping kesho. Go for breakfast and then what? Then niende ninyoe nywele. Nakaa those olden people, $1.
Oh, I wanna run off and fly.